Hello, I'm Kai Krohn. I'm a manufacturing engineer at Domino Laser, and we are now in the laser production facility in Hamburg. We manufacture standard CO2 laser and fiber laser marking systems, and also solutions which are tailored to individual customer requirements. The standard is a pure assembly operation. The individual components are delivered, and we assemble the entire system into the finished laser. The laser module with the beam source is mounted on the production line, then commissioned with the controller and tested. We are here in one of our test rooms, where we carry out the so-called burn-in test. Each laser goes through various program-controlled automated stress scenarios that virtually torture it. All lasers are tested in this way and must meet specific criteria to achieve the expected Domino laser quality. What makes Domino lasers so special? The lasers are 100% made in Germany, and we find a solution for all our customers' problems and put our accumulated expertise into meeting your expectations.